Hi guys, welcome to Women Hairstyles. Check out this low maintenance and cheap natural haircut that is best of both worlds. This haircut is a good haircut for easy styling, and it's a haircut that will take many years off your age. One thing about this beautiful style today is that it's a haircut that proves that short natural haircut can be totally cool. You can see how the haircut takes many years off this woman's face, and you can see how it's that kind of style that will make you look sexy all day long. So I love this natural haircut because it's a style you can rock to rock, you can rock for any party, and it speaks for its versatility because you can see how this haircut is just so beautiful, and it will really make you rock it different ways you want. I love this beautiful natural haircut because it's a haircut that is easy to style and to shoot off face shape. No matter the shape of your face, is a haircut that will accentuate your jawline and your cheekbone, and it's that cut that will give you the confidence to rock it this beautiful season we're in. If you're looking for style that is super stylish, thanks to this beautiful Pixie, because it's a style that is beautiful and it's really trending and will take many years of your age. So with this in mind, if it's your first time here in Women Hairstyles, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload.
Bye.